Today we are making a delicious and authentic chicken karahi, a famous Pakistani spicy chicken dish.
Here are all the ingredients we need for this flavorful chicken karahi.
First, heat oil and fry the chicken until it changes color and develops a beautiful golden texture.
Add yogurt and cook until the chicken karahi becomes rich, thick,
and full of authentic flavors.
Our delicious chicken karahi is ready. Serve hot with naan and enjoy this classic Pakistani taste.